It's not just packaging that's brand new. Let's take a look at their levers. They've actually upgraded quite a few of their components now. But I am thoroughly impressed with the overall improvement. Looks like that went in pretty smooth. Nice. All right, this mod should have been done a long time ago. Hi, I'm Mike. Welcome to another Motivation USA brief unboxing where we're gonna throw on the Evotech Performance levers, folding levers on the Hypermotard 698 Mono. You need this. Let's start by pulling off the hand guard. So this screw over here and the one that's over there, we'll start by doing that. There we go. There you go. First one's out already. And then now to the right-hand side of the bike. Now we're gonna undo the lever. Now we move to the left-hand side of the bike, same thing. Now we're just gonna remove. There we go. First one's out. There we go. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the OEM lever. We need the plunger that's in here to go back with the new levers. So I'm gonna take a bigger socket, put it at the bottom, just like that, and then take a smaller socket and hammer the bearing out so I can get access to this.
Here at Motivation, customer service is paramount. Our knowledgeable staff is available to help you navigate the sometimes confusing world of customizing your motorcycle. We've curated a selection of top brands and we stand behind every product we sell. We got the parts you need. We stock a ton of parts and offer free shipping on orders over $149. And if you place your order by noon, we'll ship your in-stock items same day. Check out the website or contact us with any questions you have about your next order.
There you go. Pretty simple. You got the plunger. Perfect, so that way it doesn't kind of go out of whack. I like to keep it all together. There we go. Still intact, good. Hopefully I'll be able to kind of nail this a little quicker than usual. Maybe I will. Oh, let's see. Trick here is to kind of use a needle nose. Nice. By the way, even though you see I'm using a needle nose plier, I also did some all-season grease on here to help it go in a lot easier. Yeah, all the way in. I'm also gonna lube up the plunger. Slide that plunger in a little bit. Perfect. You're not pinching really hard, you're just using it to hold, that's all. There you go. Now loop that plunger too. So the pivoting point is free. They've even gone as far as to updating the packaging. Looks mint. All right, guys, let's take a look at these levers that we're gonna outfit the Hypermotard 698 Mono with by Evotech Performance. First off, really cool that they have new packaging. Take a look. It's not just packaging that's brand new. Let's take a look at their levers. They've actually upgraded quite a few of their components now. They look and feel much nicer than before, but I am thoroughly impressed with the overall improvement. Evotech Performance logo. Great quality, fit and finish looks really, really good. These are foldable. You could also do shorties. You could do shorties that's foldable as well. You have multiple adjustment points, right? That's gonna give you a lot more freedom in comparison to the OEM. The fit and finish has changed quite a bit in comparison to what they've done before. You have the EP, Evotech Performance, and they are impressive. They've really stepped it up and made some serious changes and adjustment to their branding, to the parts, the fit and finish as well. Another thing I want to mention, these are modular. You could always change the color of the adjustment pin here. It's anodized in red. The entire lever itself is anodized in black. So that means long-term usage, being out in the weather, in the elements, it's not gonna change color. You're not gonna get like the faded pink that you usually see when you buy like a budget or from a budget third-party company. These are gonna stay the way they look, completely black and red. So really, really dope. Let's throw these guys on the Hypermotard 698 RVE. Perfect. There we go. Now we're in. Hand tighten. Perfect. Looks good. We're gonna drop that nut below. Some really cool benefits you're gonna walk away from by installing those Evotech Performance levers. Tons of flexibility and adjustments. Again, these things make your bike feel like it's your own when you're out there on the road, especially with a brand new bike. You wanna be able to get the feel for it. And the other benefit that I really love about those, let's say if you were to crash your motorcycle, right? The levers are gonna fold up, they're not gonna break. They might get some scuffs, some dings and bruises, but you'll be able to fold them back down and still be able to get home. Nice. Perfect. Just gonna throw that nut right underneath. Now, in these videos, when I tell you guys I highly recommend Evotech Performance, there's a reason why I mention these things. The quality and fit and finish has improved tremendously, and they look incredible. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. As I mentioned, guys, these things are great tools for you guys. You shop here at MotovationUSA.com. We show you how to throw them on. Easy peasy, right? As recommended, use your parts purchase to support the store that support your sport. Motivation USA gives back to the riding community with everything from safety seminar courses and worldwide racing sponsorships for the most trusted parts and accessories. Shop only MotivationUSA.com. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.